Nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, you picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Not just in for a single.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
And he helps himself to a six. That has made some serious damage. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. There is a fielder at cover.
Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. That's a no ball and the batsman gets a free hit. Free hit is coming up. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Can you do it again? That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. That is huge play. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Unable to break free, missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He has found the gap. That is a boundary.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery. Here. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Oh, that must have really hurt.
There is a fielder at cover.
And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They've bowled good lines all day.
Let's congratulate